Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Mango Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Mango Live on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now go ahead and select Settings. Tap on Sign Out at the bottom of the page. Tap on OK in order to sign out. And that's it. This is how you sign out of Mango Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.